The lead generation tool is designed to help you find your ideal customers quickly and easily. With different search models, which we'll go through in just a moment, you can find your ideal customer very simply within the program. Starting all the way at our settings area, loading up your business profile, things like your business name, what you sell, and who you sell it to, will allow the AI to be fully trained and suggest clients for you. You can also upload websites, you can connect PDFs, text documents, and full websites to allow the ICP suggestion or ideal client profile suggestion to even prompt and tell you the kinds of searches that you can do within the program and help open up new ideas for you. Our different search models allow you to target in different ways. So our people search is very focused to be able to find by role or by specific industry or turnover. So you might say in a people search, I'm looking for the CEO, and we might say I'm looking in Chicago as a starting point. Now this can be any city anywhere in the world. So I'm going, okay, I'm looking for CEOs in Chicago, and then we can start to really filter. We can say, okay, not just CEOs, but I'm looking for CEOs, founders, presidents, etc., owners, CEOs, founder CEOs. So I can really dial this in. I can say, okay, I'm really looking for people who work at a company that has a specific size with particular revenue in a specific industry. So we might say in the construction industry, as an example. I can really dial into who I'm looking for. That allows us to then run that initial search. So the initial people search within the system will bring back the exact people that you're looking for. We'll dive into lead enrichment in just a moment. So the people search dialing in by role. The company search then allows us to look by industry type or vertical. So I might be looking for all the realtors in a particular location. The next one there we have is our domain search, which allows you to target one single company at a time. So I might say, find me everyone that works at apple.com as an example. And this will be able to come in and dial into who works at that particular company. And our final search there is our influencer search, which really allows you to look by description, by hashtag, by follower count. So we might say, find me everybody who is into real estate investing, and talks about that on their channel. And this will give you a great way to start searching for those people with high value audiences. Within all of these searches, as we dive in and look at some existing records that are already there, if we look at our company search, our vertical niche search, some of the enriched data that we start to bring in are things like the employee count. We start to also see the web tech that they have, whether they've built on WordPress or they've got Google Tag Manager and Pixels installed. We can see their social media profiles. So we can see Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, for example, and I can communicate with these companies directly on the platforms that they're already active on. I also have the emails coming back in from all of our from our connected people here, where I can see the first name, last name, the position if it's available. I can also see their phone number. We don't get all of that detail for every single search, but where it's available, the system will be able to bring that in. So lead enrichment inside of the company search brings in those details. We then can drop in AI. So we can have AI do any number of research areas for us. Things like find me similar clients. And this will come in and find based on location. It will look at the existing client record, and it will come back with suggested companies that are in the same location, same kind of industry, and that's an AI search looking at those targets and being able to then add those to the list of companies as you're searching for them. You can also get summary information. You could find, for example, direct messages that are created, or you can create your own deep research where you find out all about the company, the history, who owns it, how long they've been in business, what they're famous for, what awards they've won, etc. So anything that you'd like to research within AI is possible there. So the lead enrichment there, really delivering back anything from an AI research point of view that you'd like to be able to find about those companies. So our lead enrichment across the different searches gives us all of that information in the people, the single individuals, the influencers. The influencer search itself really dives into a massive amount of data here. And just grab one that I've done already. This data can come through and show you the hashtags that they're talking about, their actual history of their posts, the audience that they're reaching, who follows them. And of course, I can spot somebody and add them again to the list and research those additional people. So I can really keep diving into our audience here. I can start to find who's following them, and I really want to understand who this influencer is and who they are reaching with their content. So our lead generation tool has AI at its heart, and is designed to help you find and identify your ideal prospects.